Hi. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear. The brave person is not he or she who does not feel afraid, but he or she who conquers that fear. That quote was from Nelson Mandela. In other words, do it afraid. Hi, I'm Laura Biewer with CoachMeLaura.com. Today, I want to discuss a true person of value. The world lost a few months ago Kobe Bryant. And here's a person who mastered his skills as a basketball player, but he didn't stop with that. He also used his success to help other people and to inspire millions. So I have 3 questions for you to ponder today. The first one is, are you doing everything you can to master your skills as a notary? And number 2, are there others you can mentor or help, whether it's as a notary or just to lend a hand to another human being? And 3, are you taking steps today to move in the direction of your dream? Don't wait. We may not have tomorrow. Don't wait to live your dream. Say what you need to say and do what you need to do. It might be as simple as, I love you. I'm sorry. You're right. I can help. How can I support you? Focusing on what I can do for myself and others rather than what I cannot is what's going to change my mindset in an instant. Need some help with that? Come from a place of gratitude for what you've already accomplished, for what you've already done, for things that have already happened for you. Then ask, what can I do from where I'm at with what I have? Make a list. Take that step. Until the next time, be safe.